Alright, I'm inside the web browser. In this video, we're going to wire up the click events to those icons. So let's begin. Before that, let's go ahead and add a few items to our cart. So we have this remove icon, and on hover of this remove icon, we need to add a cursor to our remove icon, and we need to align this quantity to the center. So let's fix those two things first. So now let's go to the cart details.component.html where we are displaying the quantity. We're going to add a bootstrap class which is text minus center. And we need to add a custom CSS class which is pointer for the remove icon. So let's save this and let's go to the style.css, and to this anchor element we are going to add one more class which is our custom class dot pointer. So let's save this, and if you take a look at the browser, let's go ahead and add a few items to our cart. And now on hover of this remove icon, you can see now we have this nice pointer, and you can see the quantity is aligned at the center of the two buttons or the two icons. So now let's go ahead and wire up the click event to this plus icon. So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code and let's close this, and let's open up the before that we need to add the click event. So for the plus icon, we're going to add the click event, and we're going to call increment quantity method. We're going to create this method in a bit, and to this increment quantity we're going to pass the cart item. So we have this cart item at the top. We are looping through the cart items, and each time the loop runs we get the cart item, and we are going to pass that cart item to this increment quantity method. So let's save this, and now let's go to our cart details.component.ts file, and in the DOM we are going to define the method increment quantity, and we're going to receive the cart item as a parameter. So inside this we're going to log to the console just for the testing. So we're going to print the cart item. So let's save this, and now if you take a look at the browser, let's go ahead and add a few items to our cart. And before clicking the plus icon, let me open up the developer console so that we can see the log. Let's go to the console. Let me clear this out, and now when you click on this plus icon, you can see it is printing increment quantity text, and it is printing the cart item. So let's close this, and now let's go back to our Visual Studio Code, and we're going to make use of the cart service, this .cart service, and we're going to call add to cart method. So we don't need a separate method for incrementing the quantity, so we can make use of the add to cart method to increment the quantity. So to that we're going to pass the cart item. So now let's go ahead and add a few items to our cart. So now you can click on this plus icon, you can see the quantity has been increased, and you can see the total amount and as well as the quantity. So let's click on the plus icon again, you can see the quantity becomes 2, and now we have the total quantity is 5. So you can increment as many number of books as you want. So that's all about this video, and in the next video we are going to wire up the other click events for other icons. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.